Hello and welcome to our channel. A lot of good things happen when you wait for things to grow and change. If you want to buy something, you don't have to buy a DVD or a book anymore. You can buy something with a cryptocurrency instead. Cryptocurrencies are taking the financial world by storm right now, and the blockchain field is growing at a huge rate. As a result, people who like crypto have a lot of chances. People who are into crypto or who are new to blockchain technology might want to learn more about DeFi and how it will change the world in the future, no matter what. Here are 5 projects that will change the way people think about both global and traditional finance. By CoinMarketCap, these are the top 5 DeFi projects and tokens to keep an eye out for in 2022. 1. Avalanche Blockchain. Colony Lab, best DeFi project. Colony is at the very top of the list of DeFi projects that we have. Colony is the first community-driven fund that looks to the future. People from the Avalanche Foundation have already given this project a lot of money and support. It's basically a project from the foundation, though. Colony is a group of smart contracts that set the groundwork for an organization's most important tasks. You will use the tokens to move the money around and do other things. Still, you'll want to pick a network that charges the least because moving money costs money. There are a lot of scams out there, so it is good to do some research before you buy something. Features. Colony is a community-driven accelerator for the Avalanche ecosystem. Colony CLY token is used to run it. This project aims to give money to projects that use Avalanche at an early stage. It will also add money to existing Avalanche DeFi protocols. Colony's buy and stake, AVAX, Avalanche and the new subnet tokens. In addition, it buys some Avalanche projects to make a list. With Avalanche, Colony has already built up a good working relationship. They will share deal flow with each other to lay the groundwork for project building on the platform. 2. Aave is a decentralized finance platform that shows off its liquidity protocol. In Aave, users can both lend and borrow a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The platform lets people lend money to each other through smart contracts that are made possible by a crypto pool. It's a good idea for people to lend cryptocurrency to earn interest or get capital so that they can pay back interest. The Ethereum blockchain is used to build Aave. People who use smart contracts have to use a series of algorithms and a network of computers running Aave to make deals. In the past, only traditional banks and other financial institutions could take care of your money. You no longer have to trust or pay these institutions to do this. Features. Aave wants to make important financial services easier to get, so you can lend and borrow without having to go through banks, brokers, or other people. All in all, you are investing in technology and having a say in how it will be used down the road. The platform has 26 different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit and earn interest on, and 25 that you can borrow. Ethereum, Link, and Lend are some of the ways you can deposit or borrow money on the blockchain. People should be happy to know that most cryptocurrencies are stablecoins, like the one called USDC, which is very stable. To see how much each cryptocurrency costs to borrow and lend, you can visit the Aave site. Basically, Aave uses an algorithm to figure out what the current rates are based on how many people are using them. Aave has 2 different types of DeFi tokens, so he can buy things. The first is Aave, which is the token used by the Aave protocol to run things. In the same way that you buy the shares of a company when you buy Aave tokens, you buy them. In this way, you can vote on ideas for improving the protocol, which could change the way the protocol is run. The second Aave token is a tokens, which are interest-bearing tokens that lenders can use to get interest on their deposits. The interest is put into your wallet right away, and these tokens are worth the same amount as the money you put in. 3. Digital assets, dApps, and smart contracts. Ethereum was the first cryptocurrency that could be used to make smart contracts. There have been problems with congestion and high fees since then, though. As a result, a number of new options have been created that can process transactions faster and at a lower cost. There are a few other options, but one of them is Phantom, which is an open-source smart contracts platform for dApps and digital goods. This platform makes it easier to borrow, lend, and trade synthetic assets. As soon as you open your digital wallet and deposit tokens, you can start making money right away. Features. Phantom is on the rise because it has a network architecture that can help solve the blockchain trilemma, which is why it's on the rise. It wants to be a good mix of security, stability, and decentralization. In order for the platform to be fast, it has a unique consensus mechanism called lachesis. Because of this, transactions are almost instant. So, as a smart contract-enabled blockchain, it is a good place to make dApps. Phantom's quick transaction processing makes sure that transactions are settled in 1 to 2 seconds at the most. There are a lot of transactions that can be done in a second, and they usually only cost a little bit. Since the transactions on the Phantom platform reached 3 million in May, it makes sense that they did so. Phantom is a big part of decentralized finance, DeFi, and it doesn't need a government. All of its systems are linked together by its AVD, asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant, POS consensus. As a result, it can keep the whole network running smoothly. Phantom is a good choice for staking rewards. This is where you can earn a minimum annual percentage rate, APR, of 3.79% up to 11.59%. The APR is based on how much FTM you have staked and how long you have been locked in. Phantom is also used to pay network fees and reward validators. Even though the rate is very low, Phantom pays transaction fees and the costs of setting up new networks and smart contracts. FTM is also used to pay the people who keep the platform safe from hacks and scams and check transactions. 4. PancakeSwap is the most popular decentralized platform out there. PancakeSwap is another decentralized finance protocol that is getting attention. DeFi is a project that started a year ago. It is based on the Binance Smart Chain, which is an automated crypto market maker that works for you. Like Aave, PancakeSwap is a company that sells trading money. A decentralized exchange called PancakeSwap was used by more than 5 billion people at the end of October, DEX. If you compare it to other companies, like Uniswap, and its market value is only $4 billion, PancakeSwap is a great deal. Features. There are many reasons why PancakeSwap is a good choice for people who keep coins. It's built on the Binance chain BIP2. As of today, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange is called Binance, and it has $27 billion worth of trades every day. Second, Certic, a well-known smart contract security firm, has checked this platform. In this way, it is more trustworthy than projects that haven't been vetted. On PancakeSwap, you can trade tokens and cryptocurrencies without having to go through a middleman. You can also keep your tokens. PancakeSwap runs on Binance, but it is not run or controlled by Binance. If you want to exchange money, this service is similar to Uniswap or the Ethereum DEX. This is only for BIP20 tokens that run on the Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap is only used for this. It's not just Binance Bridge, though. You can also bring tokens from other platforms through this bridge. From there, you can wrap them as BIP20 tokens for use on the PancakeSwap DEX, so you can use them. PancakeSwap uses an automated moneymaker, AMM, model that relies on user-created liquidity pools to allow crypto trades. This model is called a liquidity pool. Those who deposit money in the pool get tokens called liquidity providers or LPs in exchange for their money. You can use these tokens to get back some or all of the fees you paid when you traded. You can also lock your tokens in the liquidity pool to earn rewards. To make things even better, you can use the tokens to trade for the coins you want. On PancakeSwap, you can also get tokens like cake and syrup by farming them there. You get cake when you put your LP tokens in the pool of liquidity providers, which is where you get your first reward. Now, you can stake cake tokens to get syrup tokens, so you can get more syrup tokens. There are a lot of different things that syrup tokens can do. For example, you can get tokens that can be used as lottery tickets. 5. The Graph, APIs for the future that aren't tied to a single person or company. It's called the Graph, and it's a protocol that doesn't have to be run by anyone. It works in the same way that Google indexes information on the web to make it easier to find. So, like the Graph, it stores data from blockchains like Ethereum and Filecoin. When the Graph first came out, it could only find things on Ethereum. The Near blockchain tried it out, and after that, it started running on blockchains that didn't work with the Ethereum blockchain. Features. Open APIs called subgraphs are used to group the data together in the graph. This process makes it easy for developers to use the GraphG API to look at the data and find what they want. Because it makes data easy to find, it allows DeFi applications, like DEXs, to run smoothly. This protocol was able to work with non-Ethereum compatible blockchains thanks to a grant from the Graph Foundation, which gives money to companies that make data about blockchains. The Graph is used by developers to get information about prices and users. At the end of November 2021, the protocol is used on 25 different blockchains. After that, streaming fast became a big part of the Graph. If you want to start a project on the Graph, you can still get money from this foundation. Still, it will keep giving grants to help the graph grow on blockchains that aren't compatible with Ethereum. An important part of the DeFi infrastructure has been built around the graph, and subgraphs can be combined to make a global graph that shows all of the world's public information. This data can be changed, organized, and shared across applications that give you quick access. GRT now makes it easy for data to move between applications and blockchains. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.